Here I am with the poem number 5, that is Father Returning Home. My dear students, in this video lecture I am going to talk about an icebreakers from the poem. Some activities are given here as discuss with your partner the difficulties that you face while commuting to and from the college by public transport. Here, my dear students, commuting means what? Traveling. As you, as a student, travel from your village to college by public transport. So, what are the difficulties you have to face or you face? We have to discuss about it. So, A, B, C, and D. It means it is your duty to write the difficulties which you face while commuting. As I have made a slide for this, you can see. So what are the difficulties? In A you can write that crowded buses or trains, means while traveling the buses are full of crowd. And B, sudden cancellation of buses or trains. Suppose we are set out for the traveling, but suddenly we get the news that the train is cancelled or the bus is cancelled due to so and so reason, as you can write. And what is in C, you can write you have to miss a couple of buses or trains to board safely. Suppose there is a crowd, too much crowd, then what we do, we miss some buses. We think that in the next bus I will get chance to sit. In this way, this is also the difficulty which we face. Next, D, difficult to board in a peak hours. Suppose you are in a hurry at that time, it is very difficult to board the bus or train. And you may also write, which is given here as extra, that during rainy season, means in this season the frequency of buses or trains are very less. So these are the difficulties which we face while commuting. Now what is the next activity? The similar problems are faced by other commuters on the way to their workplace. Imagine their plight and suggest 3 solutions. Now my dear students, in this activity you have to suggest some solutions. So first one already is given in the book as giving them a place to sit. Suppose you are traveling, some of the person is there, then we should give our place to sit them. As you can provide some solutions 1, 2, 3, 4, as I have done in next slide, you can see. So what we can do, we can help them to climb the steps. This is how we can help them. We can make a way to enter senior citizens in a crowded bus or train. In this way we can also help them. And the last one, don't push them even if you are in a hurry. Though there is very hurry, you need not to push senior citizen. It is our duty to give them way. In this way we can write some solutions like this. Look at the next activity. Complete the following table. My dear students, here you have to complete the table already somewhat given in the book. In A, what you have to write? The way our elders take care of us. Number 1 is already given. Love and protect us. Means how our elders take care of us. They love us, they protect us. And what you have to write in B, the way you can take care of elders in your family. Means when we were child, they took our care. Now it is our duty in B column, that how you can take care of your elders in your family. As 1 already is given, help them in daily chores, means in their daily work our duty is to help them. In this way, 2nd and 3rd in both the columns you have to complete. As I have done, you can see in the next slide. See A, what is given here? The way our elders take care of us, means how our elders from our family, they took care of. See, 2nd, they guided us, they provided an education to us, and whenever there was a different or difficult situation, they supported us. And third one, what we can write, they take care of our all the needs, means from small to big, whatever we were in need, they tried to provide it, they took care about it. Okay, so what we can write in B as second one is given here. We should spend time with them and take care of their health. If necessary, then visit to the doctor and inquire about our elders' health. It is our duty. Third one, make them feel important by asking for their advice. If suppose there is a necessity of any advice, then we should give importance to elder people from our family. Ask them, take the help of their advice, as they are the map, as there is a direction given in the map. With the help of map, the traveler can reach at the proper destination. In the same way, my dear students, the elder people in our family are just like a map. They also guide, because they have much of the experience about life more than us. That's why we should take their help and ask them for the advice. In this way, my dear students, we can help our elders in our family. Now let's look at the next activity. What is given in this activity? See, write your duties towards the following. Means here also family, school and college. So what are your duties in family with parents, about siblings, grandparents, and in the college or school, what are your duties towards the teachers, towards the classmates? You have to complete the given activity. As I have completed, you can see now what are our duties towards the family. About our parents, we should love them, we should share with them my joys and sorrows. Means we can share our joys, happy moments, or even sorrows also. Take their guidance. If you are in need, please take the guidance of your parents. Okay, now what are our duties towards the siblings? We should love them unconditionally. There should not be any condition while loving our siblings, because they are our own blood relation is there. Support them at the hour of need. If suppose our siblings are in danger, so our duty is to support them. Be friendly with them so that there is no sibling rivalry. And you know very well, in the family, the siblings always, what we call in Marathi, sakka bhau pakka vairi. In the same way, there is a sibling rivalry. So we should be friendly with our siblings. Okay, now what are our duties towards the grandparents in our family? My dear students, we should love our grandparents. We should protect them in any condition, respect them to make them feel important in the family. But what generally happens, so many people avoid elder people in the family, so they feel that we are not important, as useless. So this is not good. It's our duty, moral duty. We should give importance to our elders in the family. This is how you can write in the family. Now what you can write your duties towards the teachers and classmates in the school and college. See, towards the teacher, what are our duty? We should respect them. If you give respect, you will definitely get respect in return. Okay, so it is must to respect the teachers, because we learn so many things from the teacher. But there are some students, they never respect the teacher, but that is not good. If you want to be good in society, you should respect each and everybody. Follow their advice. You should follow the advice given by the teacher. And why? Because teacher never thinks bad about you. He always thinks good about the students. So follow the advice of your teacher. Maintain discipline while interacting with them. When you interact with the teacher, maintain discipline. Okay, think he is your teacher, how I should behave with my teacher. Okay, so maintain the discipline. What are your duties towards the classmates? Be friendly, because he or she is your classmate, just like a friend. Be helpful and cooperative. Suppose somebody, he or she is in need, and the thing is you are having the thing, please help, give her or give him anything, whatever she or he wants from you. Be helpful and cooperative. Be adjusting. Never think that it is mine, I will not give you. No, be adjusting. If your classmate wants to sit with another friend, let him go. If somebody wants to talk with you, take your notebook, then allow her or allow him. If somebody from another group, the friend wants to sit with, share your bench, then adjust it, because he is also your classmate. So these are the duties towards the family and school or college. In this way, my dear students, you can complete all the activities from the icebreaker section. In my upcoming video, I will talk about the poem in detail. Till then, take care of your health and be happy. Enjoy learning with me. Thank you.